Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let's do a quick flirty date night makeup together in 5 minutes. Grab your product and let's get started. Okay, so after applying my skin prep, I'll just go in with my primer to lock in the sweat. Applying it on the cheek, my cheek, the T-zones. Don't stick your primer closer to your under eye. So after applying that, I'll just have to wait for it to dry out. For foundation, I used V Beauty foundation in the shade Milkshake to apply it on my face, and then I used my damp beauty blender to blend out the foundation. After applying the foundation, I went in with the foundation one shade darker than my skin tone to contour my face. After that, I went in with my blush from my Blossom Lip palette to apply the blush on my face, on my nose, to give it some depth. For concealer, I used the Voix concealer, just one shade lighter than my skin tone to highlight my under eye, my T-zones, my cheek. And then I also went in with another concealer, two shade lighter than my skin tone to brighten my under eye. So after that, I used my setting powder from Mirac to set my under eye, to set the highlighted areas. And then I used the powder, same shade with my skin tone, to apply it all over my face. For the lips, I used Avoa lip stain to sculpt my lips, and then I went in with the pink shade, in fact a nude shade from my Eye Magic lip palette. For the eyeshadow, I used my Clown White to apply it first on my eyelid before going in with my eyeshadow. I really do not know what inspired me to create this eyeshadow look, but I so love this eyeshadow because I just wanted to be center of attraction. You know, it's a date night makeup and I'm supposed to look stunning. So I just wanted to be the center of attraction. I just wanted my eye to pop out in the dark, and that's the reason why I applied this pigment, because I just wanted to blink. After that, I used my mascara to remove my natural lashes, and then I set my face with my setting spray. And then I used my highlighter from Tehila to highlight my face, and that's pretty much all I had to do. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, I'm feeling myself already. Yes, so if you're still watching to this point, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful. Please share this video Thanks so much for watching this video. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your support. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you all. And to my returning subscribers, you guys have a place in my heart. I really do appreciate you guys for all you do for my channel. So here I was already feeling myself dancing. If you want to see how I created this beautiful eyebrow, I'll leave the link up here and also in my description box. Okay, so I'll have to go now. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.